Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a quick and easy trick to get the false scad in Heartopia. This fish is very important because it's one of the favorite foods of the limited winter animal, the penguin. So if you want to increase your bone level with the penguin faster, just feed it with this fish. So how do we get it? First, you can catch this fish on the Zephyr Sea. False Scad only appears in this area, so make sure you're fishing in these correct oceans. And the good news, it spawns all day and it almost every weather on the sunny, rainy, and rainbow. That means you don't have to wait for a specific time, just go anytime that you want. And then now just simply start fishing like usual on the Zephyr Sea. On here on the map, it's located on here near the fishing lake. On here, just go fishing on this area and then you will get this false scad. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.